Hey there! Today, we're tackling something that we all dread but can't escape. Pimple marks. It's a common problem, but guess what? It's totally solvable. Stick around, and I'll walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide to treating those stubborn pimple marks and reclaiming your radiant skin. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Cleanse your face properly. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Apply a pea-sized amount of mild facial cleanser to your palm. Gently massage the cleanser into your face using upward circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. You don't want to use harsh cleansers, as they could irritate the skin and exacerbate your problem. A study from the Indian Journal of Dermatology from back in 2017 actually highlighted how a proper cleansing routine is essential for maintaining skin integrity. Step 2. Exfoliate your skin. Apply a small amount of exfoliating scrub to your fingertips. Gently rub the scrub onto your face, focusing on the areas with pimple marks. Rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water. Dry your face with a clean towel. Exfoliating removes the top layer of dead skin cells, and yes, it's backed by science. Dr. Schultz, a renowned dermatologist, has discussed how exfoliation can accelerate the fading of dark marks in multiple interviews and peer-reviewed journals. Step 3. Apply vitamin C serum. Take a few drops of vitamin C serum on a cotton pad. Apply it evenly across your face, focusing on the pimple marks. Vitamin C is like the Beyoncé of skincare. It's basically flawless. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps in skin regeneration and fading dark marks. A review published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology in 2019 extensively covers its benefits. Step 4. Sunscreen is your best friend. Take a dime-sized amount of sunscreen. Apply it to your face, especially on the areas where you have pimple marks. The American Academy of Dermatology Association consistently advises that skipping on sunscreen can make your pimple marks stay longer. So make sure to use at least SPF 30. Step 5. Optional. Hydroquinone Cream. Dab a tiny amount of hydroquinone cream on your pimple marks. Gently rub it in. Hydroquinone is an effective skin lightener. However, consult your dermatologist before using it, as it's not suitable for all skin types. The International Journal of Dermatology has many articles stating its effectiveness but also cautioning about its use. Step 6. Natural remedies. Aloe Vera Gel. Take a small amount of aloe vera gel on your fingertips. Gently apply the gel to your pimple marks. Let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. According to a study in the Journal of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Research from 2015, aloe vera contains powerful antioxidants and has skin healing properties. Step 7. Ice the area. Wrap some ice cubes in a clean cloth. Gently press the wrapped ice against the pimple marks for about a minute. Ice can reduce inflammation and redness, making your pimple marks less noticeable. Dr. Joshua Ziegner, a dermatologist in New York, often recommends this in his consultations. Step 8. Moisturize. Apply a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Massage it into your skin using upward strokes. Moisturizing helps in skin repair and keeps your skin hydrated, which is critical for any skin treatment. Alright folks, that wraps up our comprehensive guide on pimple marks treatment. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and let's talk in the comments about your progress or any questions you might have. Remember, skincare is a journey, and you're definitely not alone in it. Stay radiant.